Hey everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and this is the next video tutorial of online fast food project. And in this video project, first of all, just I'm going to show where I did reach on this project. So let's have a look. Okay, and just run the project, and you will see the output of until till now where I reach the code. Okay, so you can see it will wait for some times. It take some time to run on browser. Okay, so here we have the here we have the output. So where we have cards option is there, home is there, detail section of there, and the card detail is there, card added items there, increment, decrement, and delete item is there. But when we click on the proceed to pay, that item will go to the summary page actually, and that summary page is related to your payment description. I mean to say that a Stripe. So, but Stripe actually generate the order. So just I'm asking you, first of all, create a summary page for that. Here we have a HTTP GET method. When we click on the summary, proceed to pay, now that summary page will be opened. So the get action method is called. So first of all, get the claims identity by using the user.identity and claims identity dot find first, in which you can define the claims type dot name identifier. By using this name identifier, you have to a user ID, you can say, that is the logged in user ID. And here we have a logged in user ID, so just get the detail of the logged in user related to your cart information. So list of the cart, I mean to say that context.carts.include the item where application user ID is with the claims.identity. Now initialize the order header with the empty order header in the summary page. But by using the or you can just update the order header by using the application user, like the name and the phone number. Okay, and after that you just initialize the price order total, you can say. So by using the list of the cart, you can just iterate list of the cart one by one and calculate the price by multiply the quantity. So here we have, you can say that. So that is the option you can just put into your project. That is the details dot order header dot order total, that is cart dot items dot price multiply by cart dot count. Now the here we have a order total is there. Now just go to the order detail page where your order header is there as well as your uh, cart is there. So okay, now where cart in details dot list of the cart, details dot order header dot order total is there. So return view in the details page. Okay, and the next one is to you have to use just next page, that is the orders controller, where just I want to use orders actually, and which order you want to get in the index page. If you are a user, or you can say you are a customer, then get the they get the orders by their customer ID, you can say that application user ID. And if you are an admin, then you just got all orders with their status message. If order is completed, order is pending, order is in shipping, in process, you can say. So these are the status you have to maintain in your website also. And also you have some status of the order and the status of the payment. So payment status is there and order status is there. So just you have to add a utility folder inside into your project, and you have to add two static files for order status as well as the payment status, where payment status and the order status have some fields, some static, some constant name, like order pending, status pending, payment approved, payment failed, payment rejected, etc. So in the controller section, in the order header, in the order controller, you have to just make it first authorize attribute, with the area tag, that is the admin. Okay, so order controller have an application DB context class. You know that without any repository, I have to create a order controller with the application DB context class. So by using the application DB context class, you can just get any information from related to your order, you can say. So by using the application DB context class, just get the order details. Okay, but first of all, check user role. If it is user is in the you can say in the admin role, there is nothing there is no options to get all user. So just get all the users if you are an admin. Okay, and if you are a user, just get the orders by their ID property. Okay, so the basic rule behind this is check the user role first of all by user manager or user in the context, that is user dot is in role, that is admin, and get the orders. Okay. So here you can just get a user is enrolled in admin, then you can say context dot order headers dot include application user dot to list. So here we have a list of user which is included in the order header, or you can say that order. And also, if you are not in user is enrolled, that is admin, then you just get all the uh, all uh, all user orders. Okay, so that is the basic rule behind this. Okay, and you can say here we have. Now if you are make order if you are your order is make it enumerable type, because variable type is not use it here, because initialization is must if you are using variable type order. So order just get the context dot order header dot where x tends to x dot application user id is the value of, you can say that the claims dot value, but claims is not right here. So just add first of all claims. So by using the where dot claims identity, and just you can say that the claims identity uh, is a type of conversion, you can say, for the user. So user dot identity, you can say. So here we have a claims dot identity in the using system dot security dot claims. So claims user dot identity. Okay, because the claims identity is also have user identity is also a claims identity. So claims, you can say where claims, and just you can say that claims identity dot find first, and in which you can just pass that is the, you can say claims type. Oops, not it is user. Actually user have not a name identifier, only the claims have identifier. So claim types is the type of the name identifier which you want to get it. So claim types dot name identifier. By using the name identifier, you just got a user id of any user. So by using the claims dot value, you just got the id of the user. So here we have the claims dot value. Now uh, just after that, Just after that, you have to order of your user, of the specific user, you can say. Now after that, you can just pass the order in the view. The next section, you have to create the status. That is the route ID. Status is actually a route ID. So add view on the index, order index, and where we use order details, order header. So generate a view for the orders controller index section method. And here you can say that scaffolding. Okay, so here we have an index.cs HTML file for your orders, and you can just modify that the header content, because just I want to add some status. Just I want to add or generate some status message right here, and the status message, you can say it's an okay, it's a type of thing in the ASP route ID. Here we have a status, and you can see that ASP index method, ASP controller, like the orders, and index method is the index, and in which the index section method, you can take status as a type of string parameter. Okay, and so here we have, and you can say that by using the switch statement, just you can just identify the status of your order. If the status is pending and any other, like rejected and any other, so just regarding to their order header will be generated. Okay, so here we have the status is pending, approved, under process, like that. And all other items in the model, that is ID, that is application user ID, item subtotal, coupon code, coupon discount, transaction ID, order status, is actually it's uh, more than enough right here. So just I want to cut from the section from the index.html file and only take few. Okay, so here we have. So here you can see that here we have a model.name, model.phone, order total, order status, phone status right here. So here we have 5 items in the list. You can only enough to take it. Okay, and the next one is, so here we have basic details about the order header, and just I want to get only the name, phone number, and order status, and the payment status, and the action methods. Okay, so everything is fine. Now just added the links like edit, detail, and deletes. So everything is fine now. just you can do in your project as it is, and just you got the basic order index section method. So thank you guys for watching this video, and keep watching all other videos which is related to shopping cart and the order details and fast food. And you can just implement your fast food shop on the basis of that project, and only some types of information you have to add, like repository patterns and the security of the project. Just I want to discuss in the latter videos, because it's a mandatory in the ASP.NET Core projects. So for this types of things, you can create your own shop online on the basis of this project. Okay, so here we have some switch method on the basis of the status that is pending, approved, and under process, and the shipped. So wait for some times, I will prepare, and I will complete that types of project in ASP.NET Core. So thank you guys for watching this video, and keep watching all other videos which is related to ASP.NET Core, and related project videos will be coming soon, and I will finish that project in a 2 to 3 days only. Okay, and I will start a new project related to your task manager, and I will work on it actually. So just I'm going to finish that project very soon. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.